This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, May 17th. I'm Eliza Madison. This weekend was full of athletic fun. On Friday, the boys' baseball team triumphed over Norview 8-4, with our own Devin Donis picking up the win. On Saturday, varsity softball had a good game with Kempsville, but came out short. Monday was a great day for sports, with the baseball team beating out Indian River by 1 point. Also, boys soccer won against Gloucester 2-1 with Shamar Perry and Zachy Bucher. Now here's Jordan Sanderlin in the control room with details about today's upcoming events.
Thanks, Eliza. Today the soccer teams will both face the Norview Pilots. The girls play at 5 and the boys play at 7 at Norview. Wednesday, the varsity softball and baseball teams will battle the Indian River Braves out on the field at 5:30 at Indian River. And on Thursday, the soccer teams will also take on the Braves girls at 5 and boys at 7. Back to you, Eliza.
Thanks, Jordan. Now here's the Commodore Community Calendar for Tuesday, May 17th. That's all for this broadcast of Commodore News. For the entire Commodore News team, I'm Eliza Madison. Be sure to watch this Friday Commodore News.
This has been a Commodore News Update.